The tram depot in Erith was located in Walnut Tree Road. It closed in 1935 when the trolleybuses were introduced. They operated from what today is called Bexley Heath Bus Garage. After that, the tram depot was taken over by the local council as a maintenance depot and was demolished at some point in the late 70s, 78 or 79, not too sure. So this is the outline of the tram depot, and opposite you've got the library and the town hall. So if we go to the modern image and go to Street View, we have the town hall here, and then we can go down Walnut Tree Road. And this is the library. Now the building on the left is called London South East Colleges Bexley, and it is built on the site of what was the tram depot. Now if we turn round, you can see this spire in the background. And if we go to this image on the London Picture Archive, showing the site before demolition, we've got the spire and the tram depot. So if we just keep moving down a little bit further. Now if you go and use the time machine facility, and go back to 2008, you can see that the area used to be a car park. Now these flats also link photographs taken from here looking across. So you can see these flats in the background. But this is what the site of Erith Tram Depot looks like today.